basketball coach had been like kind of tickling the kids a lot, right? And then the other guy called him, and he said, if you're trying to get that 3-pointer out of you, bro, but they had, but they called him and said, hey, they said, Mr. Sharp, you say, you can't, if you keep tickling the kid, you can't take him on me. But that was it. There wasn't like a lawsuit or anything.
What was that? What were we talking about?
Oh, Jeff, it's going to be.
Your basketball team is just so
Oh, thanks, man. Cal Jackson on there, John Gladys, he had a child.
right.
Shout out James Gray, his dad ran a tire place. He was in there. Vic Bird's looking on his shoulder. Down something apart. All of that. I saw some silly string on the back
Or the violin.
stuff. Stand on the porch, I look over there, and stand up and climb down that side.
I do that
Yeah. I almost like somebody came down from Mount Rushmore to spend time with us today, so I think that it's like okay to joke.
Let me think of what else I want to ask you.
Maybe 40, maybe whatever you need.
I get to the airport, Kennedy Airport. It's fucking freezing out. And there's no tunnels there. You gotta walk. When I walked out there, the team and people looking at me like, what the fuck is he on, right? Like,
Starts.
How does a kid get on a gambling site?
Easy. Dad helped me.
That's the thing about furniture. It has